Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Jacksonville, local and long-distance movers near me. We offer the best skilled long-distance moving services to help make your move so much simpler. No matter how far you want to relocate, our skilled team of movers will also make it so much simpler. Our moving solutions give you all the best choices to personalize your move for your particular needs. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer many other loading services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and one-time move and upfront pricing. When you need to hire a Illinois moving company, rationalizing the cost can seem to be challenging. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a smart choice. Any good moving company will definitely help you save time on your local move. Movers can also help save you from having to do any heavy lifting. Our team of professional movers will definitely make sure your move is extremely efficient. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you get a structured solution for moving day. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Jacksonville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.